Cernunnos by Medusa the Dollmaker in 40 by 54 cm rounds. Special treatment version 1 starts with mahogany pearls that we have sprinkled on the darkest areas of this picture. So that would be on the shadows of the deer as well as the wreath. There are some shadows, so we have sprinkled it in those areas. Simply follow the color that is closest to your mahogany pearls and place them to add an extra sparkle. Cernunnos by Medusa the Dollmaker, special treatment version 2 in 40 by 54 cm rounds. Now adds electric diamonds that we have strategically placed on the corners of this picture just to give it an added glisten, sort of framing Cernunnos. So as you can see, we've placed majority on the end, the tips of the frame, and then kind of sporadically spread little bits and pieces towards the deer. Try to not make it seem so calculated so that you have a more random effect. Cernunnos by Medusa the Dollmaker in 40 by 54 cm rounds. Special treatment version 3 now adds apple crystals that we have placed on the orbs or the spots around the head of the deer. So these are the round areas that we see. Place your apple crystals over there and it will give it this nice monochromatic effect, but with a lot of glisten. Once again, for Cernunnos by Medusa the Dollmaker, special treatment version 3, we have mahogany pearls that we have sprinkled in the darkest areas of the picture, as well as electric diamonds for the corners, these ones, and finally apple crystals for the orbs or the spot.